What is the Asaro head? The Asaro head is a model of the human head, broken down into flat geometric planes. These planes help artists clearly see where light hits, where shadows fall, how the skull is structured, how to simplify complex forms. It's like turning the human face into a low-poly 3D model. The Asaro head drawing method is a way of studying and drawing the human head by simplifying it into planes, created by sculptor John Asaro. It's one of the best tools for improving your understanding of light, shadow, and structure in portrait drawing. Here there are some practices by shadowing and lighting. I colored by different colors to show different lighting by turning the light in another direction.